They did not have to submit a certificate of moral competence. Attorneys do. And then they proceed to go on poop on all and sundry because they can. Who's going to hold them accountable? Justice Alito? Hey, he was welcome in the Vatican. He loves this. He loves that. He loves being an ass. Every time he opens his mouth, verbal poop comes out. And then there's the Queen, Clarence Thomas. Oh my God, what a Christmas cake. Puddings all around. They don't believe in code of ethics. Every person who took the